Hello everyone. During your class 11th, 12th preparation, Meta app play a very important role, and today in a very small video we want to understand from the All India rank 1 in JEE Main, JEE Advanced and NEET in all three formats how they use Meta app. In one line they are giving you a small tips about the Meta app, how they use during their class, how they use Meta app for their test. So let's start with Venkat, who is All India rank 1 in JEE Mains. He will give his experience on Meta app. Hi Venkat.
Hello. We used to use Meta app to watch videos regarding all the topics whenever we don't understand them in class. And we also used to write all our internal exams in Meta app. It really gives it really simulates the final JEE mains and advanced examinations.
And have you also watched the videos and all that?
Yes,
Chapter-wise videos.
In some difficult topics which I don't understand during my class.
Great. Chitvilas?
Yeah, like for some topics, if you use the Meta app first, watch the videos, and then attend the classes, then it gives you an edge over others and it gives you a good intro of the chapter. And we also use Meta app for our internal exams. They give our exam analysis, and you can watch any topic videos on Meta app. They have a lot of videos.
After watching the video, actually the student get confidence that yeah, we know the chapter, and when they attend the lecture, the outcome and the confidence level actually increase while attending the overall lecture, right? Yeah, Varun, your experience on Meta app.
Yes, actually, as in biology, it helped a lot. We have flashcards in that Meta app. Means we can revise the whole chapter in few minutes, and even we took many tests in Meta app, as there is a immediate result and video solutions to the questions which were already means we faced in the exam. We get immediate solutions, so it's very helpful, and there is no time lag between the exams and results. And most of the things which like subtopics doubt in each chapter are clarified using the doubts which are present in Meta app. It helped me a lot to score 720 by 720.
That's great, and it's a very good motivation for all of your juniors and how to use the Meta app, how to study effectively. So thank you very much, and keep exploring the Meta app. Thank you.